Images can add to content comprehension when used carefully. With just some minor considerations, you can make them accessible for participants with visual impairments as well. Alt text lets a participant with a visual impairment benefit from the use of visual items. When they reach an image using a screen reader, the participant will hear "image of" and then the brief description you have provided in the alt text. In Canvas, you can add images several ways. Not all of them give you the alt text option. You can always select the image and then click on the Insert Image tool to add or edit alt text. Alt text should be limited to just enough descriptive words to let the person understand the image, chart, graph, map, or symbol in context. Context is key for image alt text. This image could be person using ruler and notebook, student preparing paper for multiplication, or student using ruler to prepare notebook for organized note strategy. The difference would be the context of the page where the image is used. An image of a graph or chart is an exception. You must include enough information to allow the user to understand that graph or chart just as a fully sighted person would. For images that are decorative or that are already very clearly described in the text directly near it, use quotation mark, quotation mark. That's opening and closing quotation marks with nothing in between, otherwise known as null text. In Canvas, you can also use the decorative image checkbox instead of the null text. Be sure the alt text does not include the image file extension, such as JPEG or PNG. Sometimes these are included when you upload an image, but they're not useful or appropriate in alt text. Use only images you own, you have written permission to use, or that come from public domain sources. All images should include an image citation on the page, even when not required. You can include the image source citation at the bottom of the page and use the pre-formatted text option to indicate citations in Canvas. The following are some of the image sources you might try: Pixabay, Unsplash, Pexels, and Pix4Learning. Though they are popular and fun, avoid GIFs and other animations that move quickly. They can cause seizures for some individuals. These tips and strategies will help you to use images that are useful for all participants.